Yoga practices ideally are done in sitting posture, and the best postures that are usually assumed for yoga practices are either Sukhasana, that is said to be the decent pose, or lotus posture, Padmasana, or Vajrasana, the thunderbolt posture. But we have to go with the change, because one who changes with the change goes ahead in life. So we are using a chair which signifies so many aspects of responsibility, trust, faith and accountability. Any chair posture that you start with, the basic sitting posture should be such: the thighs, the lower leg parallel to each other, feet firmly placed on the ground, tummy tucked in, chin tucked in, shoulders relaxed, and a very cheerful, poised, serene mind which can definitely reflect on the face. So this is the basic starting position that we usually go for a chair pose. The first section we start here is with the yogic warm-up exercise sitting on the chair, and we start with some leg movements, because most of the time it is the legs which are taking or bearing the brunt. So we start with some foot movements, feet tapping, inhale, exhale. Most of the exercises that you will be doing will be with breath awareness. So any movement that you are practicing, any yogic exercise that you are practicing should be with breath awareness. So you can practice this wherever you are sitting, whether it's an office chair or a home environment or a dining chair or a sofa chair. This because our calf muscles act as a second heart, and if you really want to have good venous return, good circulation, you should go on practicing this, because firm foundation is must for the house to stand. So as there is good stability and mobility of the feet, definitely the other aspects are helped. The second yogic warm-up becomes the knee. So slowly raise your knee up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Relaxation is the key element of any yoga practice. Now there are many exercises that can be done, but I am just showing you some simple activities which you can practice even in the office setup. Now slowly you will see that your feet go apart from each other. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. So this was some limb movements, lower limb movements that you can practice. Now we go to the upper component, that is the head and the neck. So shoulders should be relaxed, hands placed on your lap, or you can use the arm rest, whatever is comfortable to a person. So slowly turn your face on your left side. Inhale, bring it to the center. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhalation should always be with the mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Maintain the symmetry. Now we go with some shoulder shrugs. It is very, very important that you go with the correct shoulder shrugs. So as you lift your shoulders up towards your inhale and exhale, always inhalation should be with the shoulders behind and never with the shoulders forward, because as such also while sitting you are slouching. So it's very, very important that you raise your shoulders up with maintaining retraction. Yes. Inhale, shoulders to the ears. Exhale, relax. Now we'll go with some shoulder rotations. Yeah. So try to go from front to behind and not from behind to front, because that will increase more of the slouching. So we start with, yes, inhale, and as you lower, slowly exhale. Inhale, exhale. Full rotation as much as you can. Inhale and exhale. It should go very freely. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. We'll go for some pectoral stretches. So you will clasp your hands, both the hands, put it behind the head. Yeah. Because our pectoral muscles are likely to shorten, either we are working on the desk or a computer or in a kitchen. So pectoral stretch is very, very important. So as you bring your elbows to the level of your ear, that is inhale, and as you bring your elbows together, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relaxed body, relaxed mind. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly relax, very gradually. Just relax. Your tummy should be tucked in, chin in, and absolutely a feeling of serenity and poise. Now we'll go for vertical stretch, because you need to stretch your shoulders and back when you're sitting on the chair. So you'll clasp your hands, inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. So we'll start with the side stretches. Raise your right arm up. We'll go to the left first. Yes. Inhale, bend to the left and slowly exhale. Relax. Again to the left. Complete 3 repetitions on the left and exhale. To the left, inhale and exhale. Lower your right arm, put it on the armrest. Slowly raise your left up and side stretch to the right. Inhale and exhale. Your arm should be at the level of your ear, chin tucked in. Inhale and exhale, slowly and gently. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Just relax. Now this was unilateral side stretch. Now we'll go with both the hands, because yoga talks about symmetry. So you will clasp both the hands up. You will go for 3 stretches on the left side. Bend to the left. Inhale and exhale. Arm at the level of the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly you will come to the right side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And relax. So this was side flexion, side stretches. We'll go for the rotation. Same way, we'll start with the left side. Place your left hand on the armrest. Yes. And you will gradually take your right arm to the left. So inhale and back to position. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and relax. After this yogic warm up, we need to go for chair push ups. So simple chair push ups to eliminate the pressure that was there on your gluteal area. So inhale and exhale. You will not tuck the tummy forward, it will just be straight. Inhale and exhale. Shoulders should not elevate, shoulders should depress. Yes, inhale and exhale. Relax. So this was a small session on yogic warm-up exercises.